Oh, that was... Perfect. Okay, Orion, here we go. We got a question for you. Got some garbage here. How would you feel if I was driving by your house and I threw garbage in your front yard? How do you feel? What? Tell them. How do you feel? Real loud. Mad. Okay, great. Now, let me ask you this, Orion. How do you feel if I threw garbage in my yard? I live an hour away from here. Are you mad? You don't care, do you? He doesn't care. It's in my yard. That's how everybody feels. If they're in their own yard, they don't want anybody to mess with it. But when they leave their yard and they throw things on the ground, they say, it doesn't matter, it's not my yard. Kind of how you feel, right? We're going to change the way you look at your yard, okay? Orion, I brought with me today one of them. One of them. And one of these. Now, this is a globe. But Orion, we're going to today call it Earth. Hug your Earth. Hug it. Give it a big hug. Great. Now, I have never seen where you live before, Orion, but this could be anybody's house in America. For the moment, we're going to say that it's your house. Hang on to it. Hold one arm around the Earth and then hold your house up there. That's great. Okay. Now, this you're going to say is my house. What is this? Great. And this is Earth. Okay? And this, because look, it's a genuine 100% piece of American-made felt. No expenses have been spared. This represents your yard. Got it? We're going to put your yard underneath your house like that. I'm going to go like this. You got to be real loud for me. Let me hear you say, my house, really loud. Really loud. You're at a library. You have the opportunity of a lifetime. What is it? My house. Okay, great. And this is my yard. Say it. Great. And this is Earth. Say it. Okay, so this is my house, my yard, Earth. I'm going to point to them. You holler them out. Everybody real quiet. What is this? Just.
It's kind of like...
What is this?
Your house.
My house. What is this? Great. What is this? Earth. Good job. What is this? Real loud. What? Okay, what is this? That's right. My yard. Let's think about that for a minute, Orion. If the whole world is your yard, where's my yard? It's in your yard.
Oh, Lord.
If the whole world is your yard, where does your principal live now? In your yard. Orion, if the whole world is your yard, where is California now located?
In your yard.
In your yard. It's in my yard. If the whole